Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, and talented students, world citizen, a very warm welcome to all of you as we gather here today for the much anticipated intercampus competitions and events. It's a pleasure to see so many bright faces, brimming with enthusiasm and ready to embark on an incredible journey of innovation and collaboration. As we delve into this year's theme, innovate, integrate, inspire, shaping the future of information technology, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. In a world where technology evolves at an unprecedented pace, it is our collective responsibility to harness its power for the betterment of society. Today, we come together not only to showcase our skills and talents, but also to celebrate the spirit of ingenuity and teamwork. Whether you're a seasoned IT aficionado or a budding enthusiast, this is your platform to shine, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to leave an indelible mark on the landscape of information technology. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do, driving us to think beyond conventional boundaries and explore uncharted territories. It is this spirit of innovation that propels us forward, igniting the spark of creativity that fuels progress and transformation. But innovation alone is not enough. Integration is key to realizing the full potential of our ideas by seamlessly blending diverse perspectives and expertise. We can create holistic solutions that address complex challenges and drive sustainable change. Yet, perhaps the most powerful aspect of our journey lies in its ability to inspire. As we showcase our projects and engage in spirited competitions, let us remember the impact we have on those around us. Let us inspire others to dream boldly, to embrace curiosity, and to believe in the transformative power of technology. So let us embark on this exciting adventure together with hearts full of passion and minds brimming with creativity. Let us innovate, integrate, and above all, inspire as we shape the future of information technology. Wishing all participants the best of luck, and may this day be filled with moments of discovery, camaraderie, and unparalleled success. So once again, thank you so much and have a blessed day ahead. Good luck. God bless everyone.